What if one ritual could wipe it all clean? All curses, all negativity, all the negative weight of the emotions that you are carrying. That isn't even yours. This rune formula was designed specifically for that. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 5 runes. Start drawing from the middle is the rune Hagelas, is the rune of cleansing, rune of transformation through destruction. This rune will destroy and dismantle all the negative energies. Then there are the runes Sovilo, is the rune of the sun, rune of the fire energy and of the light, so this energy will burn down all the negative energy and also everything that remains from the negative energy. Then there is the rune Eivas, is the rune of the magical transformation, and the rune Yera, rune of cyclical nature and positive results. So together these 5 runes will ensure that the negative energy is dismantled, destroyed and burned away, that the positive transformation is allowed to happen, and also that this whole process loops and cycles until a positive result. Keep in mind, this is a strong and powerful cleansing rune formula. You don't keep the cleanses active for a long time. Usually it's from 1 to 11 days, so pay attention how you feel. And if you start feeling bad, deactivate the rune formula. But best is to check with your rune set how many days you should keep it active and if it will work for you at all. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, all cleanses, all hexes, all curses and all blocked rows will be cleansed and removed. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.